Hello, where I am. Can you hear something? Yes. Can you see the blue? Can you see the green? Can you see the brown? You can hear anything? Yeah, I know. Hopefully, you're listening in this video. Welcome again. There you go. You can spot the blue water. Wait. Over there. You can see the wave. And let's go on the other side. And happy day. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon for those who is watching it on this video. Thank you very much for non-stop viewing my video. Yeah, I'm doing I got a beautiful feedback in my videos, and I'm flattered that they are enjoying watching my video, right? So ito, I'm with Junie. He is waiting for me. Yeah. Okay, let's go in the other side again. I'm in the forest. Okay, see you. There you go. Birds are singing. I saw it. Oh, there you go. Oh, there is a wait. Okay, I'm back because there you go. You can see some boats, but yesterday there's a lot of boats, but I can't do any videos because some boats are too loud with their music. Ow. Diba? I'm just thinking yesterday, I have a lots of videos here, and I need to remix them all. Maybe some of you don't yet, wait, ano daw? Charot. Okay, let's go in the other side again. Junie, there's a lot of mosquito here, you know. Okay. You can hear the birds, yes. There you go. Yan. Ayun, may dalawang tourist boat. Okay, I'm gonna zoom that one. We have to zoom that one. There you go. Ayun. Magkatabi sila. And yeah, thank you very much. This boat is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Oh, 4 days. 4 days nang nakapark dyan. Okay, we have to zoom out. Today it's Monday. Boats are not here because some people are going back to alam mo yun, maraming lamok sa paa. Ayun, merong kwan tayo. Try natin kunin sa kuya doon. You can spot. Okay. My dear, can I get you? He's taking a selfie. Kita ba? Asan na si kuya? Ayun. Diba? Kita niyo si kuya? Kuya, my dear. Ayan, selfie pa more. Okay. Kanyan, private hotel yan. Kaya maraming tao dyan. Yesterday, maraming tao dyan. Okay, thank you very much. And, yeah, mag-isa lang sa kuya doon. Samahan natin. Ay! Nako. Ayun, thank you very much again. Have a nice day. See you. Bye-bye. Ayun, may mas malaking ayun, yun o, tourist boat. Yan, papunta doon. And then after that, pabalik na naman doon. Hindi ko na kailangang ano na yan, sumakay ng ganyan kasi nakasakay na ako ng boat. Ayan, pumunta kami ng kung saan dito. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. There you go.